I wasn't the kind of person who thought much about endurance fuels or cutting-edge nutrition. I was just a father trying to navigate the most terrifying challenge life had thrown at me. My son, just a toddler at the time, had a rare metabolic disorder. He couldn't maintain normal blood sugar levels on his own. A simple cold or skipped meal could spiral into a life-threatening event. Every hour of the day was structured around feeding him carefully calculated meals just to keep his glucose stable. Sleep became a luxury. Fear, a constant companion. Doctors had done their best, but the solutions they offered came with more risk than relief. We were caught in a race against time, and as any parent would, I refused to accept that this was the end of the line. That's when I dove into the science, combing through journals, making calls, asking questions that didn't yet have answers. And somewhere in the weeds of research and desperation, a new concept began to emerge, something called superstarch. This wasn't just another carb or sugar replacement. It was a slow-releasing, non-GMO complex carbohydrate that wouldn't spike blood sugar. It would offer a steady, clean stream of energy, the kind my son's body so desperately needed. And just like that, hope re-entered our home. With the help of a small team of biochemists and nutritionists, we developed UCAN Superstarch. Not just for my son, but for anyone looking for stable energy without the crash. Athletes, diabetics, biohackers, busy parents. People like me who needed their fuel to work. What started as a medical breakthrough born out of necessity has since revolutionized the performance nutrition world. If you've ever felt like your energy is held hostage by sugar spikes and caffeine crashes, if you're tired of feeling burnt out halfway through your workout or your workday, then this story is one you need to hear in full. Our host Joseph dives deeper into this remarkable journey in episode 18 of the Burn It Nutrition podcast, where I had the chance to share the origins of UCAN and the science that changed our lives. You can listen now at burnitnutrition.com/podcast18 or find it on iTunes or Spotify by searching Burn It Nutrition. And before you go, let's talk about one of the simplest yet most powerful upgrades to your health hydration. Most people think hydration is just about drinking water, but the key is electrolyte balance. That is why I use Element electrolytes daily. With the right mix of sodium, potassium, and magnesium, your body functions at its best. It keeps me hydrated, supports my workouts, and improves recovery. Right now, Element is offering a free sample pack with any purchase. Just go to drinkelement.com/burnit to grab yours. Fuel your body wisely. Stay hydrated. And remember, the breakthroughs that change everything often come from the moments that challenge us the most. Listen to the full episode now at burnitnutrition.com/podcast18, and I'll see you in the next Burn It clips.